Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on screen lock on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Locking your Mac is the best way to secure your computer when you have to step away from it. This won't quite or interrupt any running application, and you must type your password to get the lock screen. So here in this video, I will show you how to lock your MacBook screen. How to do it? So simple. So if you want to put your MacBook on the screen lock, you can just click on the upper left corner on the Apple icon in here, and you will find there is an option lock screen. So your MacBook will be on the lock screen mode like this. And if you want to open it, you can just enter your MacBook password. Now, if you want to manage this lock screen, you can just open the system preferences and go to security and privacy. From here on the general section, you'll find there is an option require password. So you can just, if it disable, you can just enable it. I will disable it first. So this like screen lock screen on your MacBook is inactive. If you want to turn this on, if you want to enable it, you can just click on it, require password. Now you can choose the time range. You want to lock your MacBook screen after 15 minutes or maybe 1 hour, 5 seconds, or immediately. For example, we just choose on 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, sleep on screensaver begins. Your MacBook screen will be locked. So simple, right? So that is how to turn on your lock screen on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.